There you go.
Brendan, sorry.
Can we call you Dustin now, Brendan?
Give that to Uncle Kevin and Auntie Michelle. Give that one to Kevin.
From you?
And that's for Auntie Michelle. And mine as well.
Don't open it yet. We're watching
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
picture.
what you got there, boy? Eh?
It's a remote control motorcycle.
Oh my
Oh
goodness!
my goodness.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow!
Hey, how come I didn't get
A
one?
motorcycle?
The batteries are included. I put the batteries on the side. Give that one to Brendan.
Sweet!
Yeah, they're stuck in the side there, see?
So should I open this now?
Yeah.
And who's it from?
Radio control
Brendan and
motorcycle.
Kelsey.
Something else for him to terrorize me
And
with.
it might be a minute now.
This looks like chocolate.
No, I stopped it and started again.
It's not chocolate. I should have got it.
I got two
This is
good
from
ones of everything.
Cheryl,
And Mike.
Mike,
Where are your glasses?
and
Brendan and Kelsey.
Elsie, and Brendan.
What?
Somebody else has stuff.
See, normally I get a glare off Kevin's head, but it's not. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
Okay.
Oh, choking.
Do you not have an anti-glare thing?
This is garbage.
My kitchen.
Wow.
Mario Batali stuff.
Uh,
Is that a wine thing?
Look at this.